Hi guys, this is my first video on my channel, Do It Yourself Simple Workshop. Today I will show you how to make moss wall, cheap one, with the lights, with LED panels. If you have some questions, please write down below and don't forget to subscribe. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below if you have some questions about this video. 3 plants you can see here. And for the next project I have a lot of oil barrels. Maybe you have some ideas what can I make from them? Please comment below and don't forget to subscribe.